Let's talk about some of the changes with the new education policy, specifically in class 11th and 12th CBSE board. So, this time we have seen that the competency based questions have increased tremendously. From nearly 40% to 50% increase is seen. Like previously, there were 40% questions coming based on competency, and now they have increased to 50%. Similarly, the constructed response questions for short answer and long answers have reduced their importance from 40% to 30%. Now, this is in accordance to the new education policy, which brings in important steps for aligning assessments with practical applications, and therefore learning towards creative and critical thinking is important under competency based questions. This kind of aspect is more focused, and also there has been elaborate development on the exemplar problem. So the kind of questions that you see under exemplar problems become important with the changing patterns of your CBSE examination. So really important to understand that the focus is shifting from rote memorization of the concepts towards focused learning, creative critical thinking, and building up thinking capacities to meet the future challenges for the further studies. So that's the kind of change that has been brought. Now, with this line of change, it's not only seen for science subjects but also for social sciences and humanities, where direct questions are not asked and it's more of conceptual and applicative questions. And even in the CUET examinations, even in NEET and JEE, we have seen that this kind of questions have increased over the past years.